Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Who should buy the 64GB iPhone 11? The base 64GB storage of the iPhone 11 is going to be enough for most consumers out there. If you only have around approximately 100 apps installed on your devices and keep a few hundred photos, the 64GB variant is good enough for your needs.
Take our lead.
iPhone 11 display is great, but only if you don't know any better. The iPhone 11 is one of the most expensive phones you can buy today. Yes, the 11's LCD is probably the best LCD display you can find, and yes, unless you've used an OLED, you won't really have complaints.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If you are the type that takes a lot of photos as well as videos, choosing a memory capacity of a larger size will be the best move for you, such as the iPhone 11 to 128GB. If you just have a few hundred photographs, and occasional videos, iPhone 11 to 64GB will be the best option.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Rear cameras. The iPhone XR has a single-lens 12-megapixel camera, and the iPhone 11 has a 12-megapixel dual-lens camera system, one of which takes ultra-wide photos. See the differences below. The iPhone 11 has Apple's next generation Smart HDR for photos, which Apple says is better than the iPhone XR's Smart HDR.
Take our lead.
Best answer. For the average person, the 128GB should be plenty of space, especially if you are the type of person to not depend on cloud storage services, download a lot of music and take plenty of photos and video. If you do plan to take advantage of iOS 13's flash drive support, then 64GB is fine.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.